Long-term care can be emotionally tough and financially draining. And for severely disabled, low-income Singaporeans, the cost of care can quickly add up. But what if there was a scheme designed to specifically ease this burden? One that quietly offers monthly payouts to those who need it most. That's where the ElderFund comes in. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what ElderFund is, how it works, who qualifies, how to apply, how long it takes to start receiving the payouts. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Fer from Dollar Bureau, a personal finance platform that talks about insurance, investments, and financial planning. Firstly, what is ElderFund? ElderFund is a government financial assistance scheme launched in 2020 by the Ministry of Health. It's designed to help Singaporean citizens aged 30 and above who are severely disabled and don't qualify for other long-term care schemes like CareShield Life, ElderShield, or IDAPE. The goal is simple, is to help those who fall through the cracks. So if you or someone who you care for is struggling with the cost of daily care, ElderFund offers up to $250 a month in cash payouts, no strings attached. Take note that this isn't an insurance plan, even though it kind of sounds like CareShield Life. You're not buying coverage or paying any premiums. It's a direct financial support for people who need help with basic everyday living. So exactly who qualifies for ElderFund? To qualify for ElderFund, there are 5 main criteria. First, you must be a Singaporean citizen who is residing in Singapore. Second, you need to be 30 years old and above. Third, you must be severely disabled, and that's defined as being unable to perform at least 3 of 6 activities of daily living. These include eating, bathing, dressing, transferring from one place to another, like from a bed to a chair, toileting, walking or moving around independently. Fourth, you must not be receiving payouts from CareShield Life, ElderShield, or IDAPE. This scheme is specifically for those who are not covered by other existing disability support systems. We'll cover CareShield Life and ElderShield Life in another video, so be sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell icon to stay updated when it goes live. And finally, there are some financial guidelines as well. Your household income per person should be $1,200 or less, and your Medisave balance should be under $10,000. But here's the thing, even if your income or Medisave exceeds those numbers, don't rule yourself out just yet. The MOH considers applications on a case-by-case basis, especially if you're facing serious financial difficulties with long-term care needs. Okay, now that you know who's eligible, let's go over how you can actually apply for the ElderFund. Applying for the ElderFund is a pretty straightforward process. Step 1 is to get a disability assessment. You'll need to make an appointment with an MOH accredited severe disability assessor. They'll assess whether you're unable to perform at least 3 of 6 ADLs, and the cost of the assessment depends on where it's done. If you go to a clinic, it's $100, and if the assessor visits your home, it's $250, but the fees will be reimbursed if you are assessed to be severely disabled. Once you have the assessment done and report ready, the next step is to submit your application. You'll do this through the eFAST platform, that's the Electronic Financial Assistance Scheme system. You'll need to log in with your SingPass and upload the required documents, including the disability assessment report. I'll link it down in the description below. Now, if you're staying in a nursing home, the nursing home staff can help with the application process. Okay, how long does it take to get the ElderFund approved and start receiving payouts? So once you submitted your application, it usually takes about 2 months for it to be processed. And after that, you'll receive your first payout in the following month. Now, here's the part that many people miss. Your first payout can include back pay from the month you submitted your application. So let's say you applied in January and got approved in March. Your first payout in April could include amounts for January, February, and March. That's a helpful buffer during a time that money may already be tight. And that's it. ElderFund may not be as well known as other schemes like CareShield Life or Medishield Life, but it plays a very important role. It helps plug gaps for people who are severely disabled, financially vulnerable, and not covered by other schemes. It offers direct monthly support to help those with everyday care costs, and in many cases, it can make a real difference. But here's the thing, a lot of people who qualify for ElderFund don't even know about it. So if you or someone you know may qualify, don't wait. This kind of help is exactly what these schemes are designed for. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical financial tips tailored to life in Singapore. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.